Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kavya. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA first sem in SVCE Bangalore. Today, I'm going to explain about the entrepreneurship. First, let us know about the entrepreneurship meaning. Definition of entrepreneurship. According to Joseph Scumter, entrepreneurship as defined essentially consists in doing things that are not generally gone in the ordinary course of business routine. Characteristics of entrepreneurship. Economic activity. Entrepreneurship is an economic activity which encompasses startup and management of business enterprise. This process is totally value oriented as well as profit oriented. Object oriented. Entrepreneurship is an object oriented process where a person or a group of persons works under an objective to earn profit by producing and selling different innovative products and services. Decision making. Decision making is a thought process of selecting a logical choice from the available options. It is a thought task as every business enterprise comprises of risk and uncertainties which affect the decision making process. Accepting challenges. In entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs are already known that they will be facing several challenges in regard with the business. It is not a bed of roses but a bed of thorns in the form of challenges which may be related to finance, raw materials, labor, etc. Risk taking. Entrepreneurs are also responsible for the business loss arising out of unpredicted incidents of the future. Building organization. It is most obvious role of the entrepreneurship to build an organization effectively. Effective leadership and delegation authorities are required for building organizations. Dynamic process. Entrepreneurship is dynamic in nature as it analyzes the challenging environment on regular basis and adopts the favorable opportunities. Gap filling function. Entrepreneurship acts as gap filter. The basis of entrepreneurship is to clear for the need of the society. Skillful management. It is a crucial for entrepreneurs to be efficient and creative while managing the business enterprise. Types of entrepreneurship. Small business entrepreneurship and corporate entrepreneurship. Small business entrepreneurship acts as a fuel for private enterprises. It provides competitive zeal. Corporate entrepreneurship is generally believed to refer to the development of new ideas and opportunities within large established business, directly leading to the improvement of organizational profitability. Stages in entrepreneurial process. Identifying and evaluating opportunities. The first stage of entrepreneurial process is to identify and potential entrepreneurship and evaluate them effectively. It is a crucial task for all entrepreneurs to find out feasible opportunities. Developing business plan. A well-defined business plan is essential for starting a new venture. A business plan is a detailed layout for entrepreneurial activities in the form of the document based on detailed assessment and significant facts and figures. Determining resources required. After designing the business plan, entrepreneurs must carefully determine the required business resources. The first step towards organizing and determining the process is to identify and evaluate the valuable process. Managing the enterprise. In the last stage of entrepreneurship, procured resources are entitled for effective implementation of business plan. Importance of entrepreneurship creates large scale employment opportunities. The most crucial problem of any underdeveloped economy is unemployment. Entrepreneurs play an important role in providing job opportunities to large portion of the population. For example, well-known entrepreneurial firms such as Tata, Reliance, etc. Balanced regional development. The social benefit like transport facilities, education, health, etc., take place with the growth and expansion of the business. For example, cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad have undergone tremendous modification in the regional infrastructure due to the booming range of startups taking place here. Balanced regional development, the social benefits like transport facilities, education, health, entertainment, etc. With the changing time and increasing competition, large industries are enforced to start up their industries in less development as well as rural areas. For example, cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad have undergone tremendous modification in the regional infrastructure due to the booming range of startups taking place. Increases national income. The total output of all goods and services produced annually, including all imports of the country, is known as national income. The country produces goods and services according to the demands of domestic customers and number of exports. For example, the large promotes country's export trade. Entrepreneurs also help the promoting report of goods and services in order to bring the large foreign exchange reserves. New product, new service, and new business. New product, new service, new business. Economic development is encouraged through new products, services, and technology introduced by entrepreneurs. Dispersal of economic power. The limited and specific industrial development lead to the creation of market monopoly. Here, the economic power remains the hand of new business people. Better understands of living. Better standards of living. Entrepreneurs are essential for improved economic growth. This economic growth also improves the living standard of the society. Importance of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs play an important role in economic development. Some of them as follows: creates large scale employment opportunities. The most crucial problem of any underdeveloped economy is unemployment. Entrepreneurs play an important role in providing job opportunities to large portion of the population. As more and more entrepreneurial enterprises are developed, both small and large scale jobs offering are provided. For example, well-known enterprises firms such as Tata, Reliance, HCL, Wipro have contributed a lot of employment generation of thousands and millions of Indians. Balanced regional development. The social benefits like transport facilities, education, health, entertainment, etc. take place with the growth and expansion of business, but these economic developments are limited to the specific areas whereas industries are situated. For example, cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad have undergone tremendous modification in the regional infrastructure due to booming range of startups taking place here. Increases national income. The total output of all goods and services produced annually, including all imports of the country, is known as national income. The country produces goods and services according to the demands of domestic customers and number of exports. The country demand increases with the growing population and their personal income. For example, the large conglomerate in India like Wipro, HCL, Godrej, Flipkart, and many more small and big firms contribute to the national income of the country. Promotes country's export trade. Entrepreneurs also help in promoting export of goods and services in order to bring in the huge foreign exchange reserves. Other than this flow of foreign exchange, reduces the import dues requirements. As a result, export trade promotion and import substitution accelerate economic growth. New products, new service, new business. Economic development is encouraged through new product, service, technology introduced by entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs, through their innovations, try to bring always new products in the market to fascinate the customers. They focus on increasing varieties and volumes of new and innovative products. Dispersal of economic power. The limited and specific industrial development leads to the creation of market monopoly. The economic power remains in the hands of new business people. This brings with it the evils of monopoly and exploitations. Better standards of living. Entrepreneurs are essential for improved economic growth. This economic growth also improves the living standard of the society. Entrepreneurs usually aim to produce quality goods at reasonable price. Challenges of entrepreneurship. An entrepreneurship encompasses along both opportunities and problems. In modern world, there are numerous opportunities with diversified areas, but it has never been an easy task for entrepreneurs. First is finance. Availability of sufficient capital, strong relations with different leaders, and awareness of business finance is the essential aspect of entrepreneurship. The first and foremost thing of an entrepreneur is to estimate and arrange finance. Risk of losing invested capital. Establishing a new venture has high probability of risk. The rate of risk varies according to the size and nature of the business venture. Every entrepreneur planning to set up a new business must be prepared to take up risks. Risk can be form of consist losses, failures of business concept, poor quality of product, no market values, etc. Weak management. Inadequate management of business venture is another big problem in entrepreneurship. This may be due to lack of passion and poor technique of performance measurement and control, etc. Ineffective marketing. Marketing a product is crucial to every business enterprise. Along with having a unique and appealing product, entrepreneurship also requires feasible promotion to build place in the market. Lower quality of life until the business is established. Entrepreneurs are passionate about their business and carry a lot of risk. They have to struggle for success and work vigorously to establish their business. Conclusion. To be successful in sustainable business practices often requires entrepreneurship and innovation. Entrepreneurship and innovation are relevant in for profit and non-profit ventures. For innovation to be relevant for sustainable business, it has to be meaningful and affect a large number of stakeholders. Successful entrepreneurship often requires creativity and innovation in addressing a new opportunity and concern in a new way. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe, like and comment my video.